Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to online class. Today we are going to see the topic mensuration in this self-practice 12A. Let's see the question. First one, find the area of the following trapezium. Here they are given trapezium diagram. Here you want to find the area of the trapezium. So how to find the area of the trapezium? So if you want to find area of the trapezium means we need to know height of the trapezium and sum of the parallel sides of the trapezium. Here height is 6 centimeter and the parallel sides are 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter. So area of trapezium is equal to half into h into sum of parallel side. So a plus b. So here h is 6 centimeter, a is 8 centimeter, b is 11 centimeter. So substitute in that formula and calculate what is the area of this figure. Half into 6 centimeter into a is 8 centimeter plus 11 centimeter. 1 by 2 into 6 into 8 plus 11. 8 plus 11 is, it's 19. So if possible to cancel means cancel. 1s are, 3s are. Then multiply 3 into 19. 3 9s are 27, 7. Then 2 is balance. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So area of the trapezium is 57 centimeter square. Therefore, area of trapezium it's equal to 57 centimeter square. Next question. Here the parallel sides are 12 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Then height of the trapezium is 10 centimeter. So substitute in that formula, then calculate the area of this trapezium. Area of trapezium it's equal to half into h into a plus b. Half into height is 10 centimeter. Then a plus b is 12 centimeter plus 9 centimeter. 2 1s are, 2 5s are. 5 centimeter into 12 plus 9 is 21 centimeter. So 21 into 5 is, multiply 21 into 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 105. So 105 centimeter square. Therefore, area of trapezium it's equal to 105 centimeter square. Second question. The parallel sides of trapezium are 9 centimeter and 7 centimeter and its area is 8 centimeter square. Find its altitude. So area is given, parallel sides are given. By using area of trapezium formula, find, calculate. Area of trapezium it's equal to half into h into a plus b. So area of trapezium is given, that is 80 centimeter square. It's equal to half into height you want to find out. So keep it as it is h. Then the parallel sides of trapezium are 9 centimeter and 7 centimeter. 9 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. So half into h into 9 plus 7, 16 centimeter. Then if it is possible to cancel mean cancel. 1s are, 8s are. So already it is area is given, that is 80 centimeter. So multiply if it is moving after the equal, that should be divide. So 80 centimeter square by 8 centimeter is equal to h. So again we can cancel an 8 table. 1s are 10s are. So centimeter also you can cancel. So if a centimeter 2 times is there, so cancel, then 1 time will be remaining. So altitude of the trapezium is h is equal to 10 centimeter. So height of the trapezium, it's equal to 10 centimeter. Next question, third one, the area of trapezium is 126 centimeter square and its altitude is 6 centimeter. Find the sum of the parallel sides. Same like previous question, we calculated height. This question we want to find out the sum of the parallel side. So same using formulas, we'll find out the sum of parallel sides. Area of trapezium, it's equal to half into h into a plus b. So here a plus b only is the sum of parallel sides. So area is already given 126 centimeter square. It's equal to half into altitude only, its height. So another name of height is called altitude. So it's 6 centimeter. So sum of the parallel sides only we are going to calculate. So write as it is a plus b. 2 1s are 2 3s are. If possible to cancel means cancel. So 2 table we can cancel 1 time, then 3 time. So multiply, if we are moving that side, it should be divide. So 126 by 3 is equal to a plus b. Then 3 table we can cancel, 3 1s are, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6. So the sum of the parallel sides are 42 centimeter. So a plus b is equal to 42 centimeter. So we got the sum of the parallel sides is 42 centimeter. Therefore, the sum of its parallel sides it's equal to 42 centimeter. Next question. One of the parallel sides of a trapezium is thrice the other. The area of the trapezium is 440 centimeter square and height is 22 centimeter. Find the length of its two parallel sides. This question, they are given one of the parallel sides of the trapezium is thrice the other. If you know the one parallel side only, it will be thrice means it 3 times. So other parallel sides is 3 times the other. Then area is given 440 centimeter square. Height is given 22 centimeter. So first let's consider, let the other parallel sides, the one of the parallel sides is, let the one side it's equal to x. So the other side is thrice the other. So it should be 3 into x is 3x. So other side is equal to 3x. Area is given 440 centimeter square. Then height is 22 centimeter. So we know the formula area of trapezium is area of trapezium. It's equal to half into h into a plus b. Area is 440 centimeter square. It's equal to half into height is 22 centimeter. Then the parallel sides are we consider x plus 3x. So 2 table we can cancel, 1s are 11s are. 440 centimeter square, it's equal to 11 centimeter into x plus 3x is 4x. So multiply, if you are moving that side, divide. 440 divided by 11 is equal to 4x. So we can cancel an 11 table. 11 ones are 11, 11 fours are 44. So it's 0, 40. So 4x is equal to 40. X is equal to, again 4x is the multiply. Multiply, if it is moving that side, it should be divide 40 by 4. So we can cancel again 4 table ones are 10s are. X is equal to 10. So one side is 10 centimeter. So other side is 3 times the other. So 3x also calculate. 3 into 10 is 30. So the parallel sides are the length of its two parallel sides it's equal to 10 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Next question. The difference of the parallel sides of trapezoidal field is 20 meter. Its area is 450 meter square and its altitude is 15 meter. Find the length of the parallel sides. So here the difference of parallel sides is given, that is 20 meter. So area is given, altitude is given. You want to find out what is the length of the parallel sides. So here A and B we want to calculate, but the difference is given. So the sum of the parallel sides you want to find out. Instead of the condition is given, difference of parallel side. So A minus B is equal to 20 meter. Then area is 450 meter square. Height is 15 meter. So A minus B is equal to 20 meter. So calculate A value. A is equal to 20 meter. This minus B if you are moving that side, plus B. So we know the formula, area of trapezium is equal to half into H into A plus B. So area is 450 meter square. Half into height is 15 meter. So A value we got 20 meter plus B. So 20 plus B. Then B as it is, you can keep it B. 450 meter square is equal to half into 15 meter. So 20 B plus B, it's 2B. So here 2 and 15 we can't able to cancel. So bring that side. So multiply if you are moving that side, division. Division if you are moving that side, multiply. So 450, 2 is in division. If you are moving that side, multiply by 15 is multiply. If you are bringing after the equal, it should be divide. It's equal to 20 plus 2B. 15 table 1 sir we can cancel. Then 3 15s are 45, 30. 30 into 2 is 60. It's equal to 20 plus 2B. Then 20 is positive. You are bringing that side negative. 60 minus 20 is equal to 2B. 40 is equal to 2B. Then 2B it's in multiply. 2 into B. So multiply if you are moving that side. It should be division. So B is equal to 40 by 2. So 2 table 1s are 20 sir. So B we got 20. B is 20 means you need to find out A. So A is equal to 20 plus B. So in the substitute B value you will get A value. A is equal to 20 plus B. So 20 plus 20 is it's 40. So A is 20, A is 40 and B is 20. So the length of the parallel sides are 40 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Therefore, the parallel sides are Sides are 40 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Next question. Sixth question. The length of the parallel sides are in the ratio 7:9 and the area is 960 centimeter square and the distance between the parallel side is 15 centimeter. Find length of the parallel sides. Here the length of the parallel sides are given in ratio. It is not an exact measurement. Some ratio it is given. You need to find out the length of the parallel sides. Exact length you want to find out here. So first let's consider the length of the parallel sides are length of the parallel sides are 7x and 9x. So area is given, height is given. Then you will calculate the exact length you will calculate. So area of trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b. So area is 960 centimeter square and the height is the distance between two parallel sides. One day it's called height. So height is 15 centimeter. So substitute 960 centimeter square. It's equal to half into 15 into a is 7x plus 9x. So bring that side 960 into 2. Division if you are moving that side, multiply. So multiply if you are moving this side, division. It's equal to 7x plus 9x. So 7x plus 9x is 16x. Then if it is possible to cancel, we can cancel. So 3 table we can cancel. 5 table also we can cancel. 5 table. 3 5s are 15. Here 5 1s are 5. Remaining is 4. It's 46. 9 5s are 45. Then again 1. 10. 2 5s are 10. Then again we can cancel in 3 table. 1s are 3 6 are 18. 3 4s are 12. So 64 into 2. 64 into 2 is equal to 16x. 64 into 2. This multiply if we are bringing that side. It should be division. 64 into 2 by 16. It's equal to x. So 8 table, 2 table 1s are 8s are. Then again 8 table we can cancel. 8 1s are 8 8s are 64. X is equal to 8. Then you need to find out what is the value of 7x and 9x. 7 into 8 is 7 8s are 56. 9x is equal to 9 into 8. 9 8s are 72. So the exact parallel sides are 56 centimeter and 72 centimeter. Therefore, the length of the each of the parallel sides is equal to 56 centimeter and 72 centimeter. Next question. Two parallel sides of an isosceles trapezium are 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter and its non-parallel sides are each equal to 13 centimeter. Find the area of trapezium. So here two parallel sides of isosceles trapezium are 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter. So A and B is given and non-parallel sides are 13 centimeter. Then find the area of trapezium. If you want to find the area of trapezium means we need to know the two parallel sides, sum of the parallel sides and height. But here we know the sum of the parallel sides is given 10 and 20 centimeter, but height is not given. So first calculate height, then find the area of trapezium. So draw the diagram first. Area of trapezium. So here the parallel sides are 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter. So the non-parallel sides are, this is only these two sides only, it's non-parallel sides, that is given 13 centimeter, 13 centimeter. Then you want to calculate first height. So name it in the trapezium A, B, C, D. So this trapezium first you can divide into two portions, that is, one is a parallelogram and triangle. So first, using this triangle, first calculate height of the trapezium. So draw a line from the vertex to opposite side. So this is your altitude line. So this whole distance is 20 centimeter. So here is 10 centimeter means this portion also 10 centimeter. So 20 minus 10 is remaining, we have 10. So this triangle, it is equally divided. Altitude means it's exactly divided. So here is 5 centimeter. So remaining 10 centimeter, it will be divided into 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So by using Pythagoras theorem, calculate height of the triangle. So in this triangle, we know this is 5 centimeter and this is 30 centimeter. So altitude opposite side only we can call it as hypotenuse. So that by using Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate this side. If we calculate at this height means we can calculate the area of the trapezium. So BE square, it's equal to 13 square minus 5 square. So B is equal to square root of 13 square minus 5 square. So 13 square is 169 minus 5 square is 25. So B is equal to, subtract 169 minus 25 is 144. So B is equal to 144 square root is 12. So height is 12 centimeter. So now we know the height and the parallel sides are 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter. So by using formula, calculate the area of the trapezium. So area of the trapezium is it's equal to half into h into a plus b. Half into height is 12, then a is 10 centimeter plus 20 centimeter. Cancel 1s are 6 are. So 6 into 10 plus 20, 30. 6 3s are 18. So 180 centimeter square. Therefore, the area of trapezium is 180 centimeter square. Next question. Find the cost of tiling the floor of a trapezoidal hall whose parallel sides are 25 centimeter and 20 centimeter and the distance between them. So the height is 16 meter and the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. So first calculate area of trapezium, then after that you will find the cost of the tiling. So area of trapezium is it's equal to half into h into a plus b. So area is 1 by 2 into height is, the distance between them is 16 meter. 16 into the parallel sides are 25 meter and 20 meter. So 25 plus 20. One time 8 sir. So 8 into 45. 8 into 45 is 8 5s are 40, 0, then 4. 8 4s are 32, then 36. 360 meter square. So area of trapezium is it's equal to 360 meter square. Next you want to find the cost of the tiling. So cost of tiling per meter square is rupees 40. We have the total area is 360 meter square. So more than this, so you want to multiply here. So cost of tiling per meter square is rupees 40. We have 360 meter square. So what is the cost for tiling? 360 meter square. Cost of tiling 360 meter square is 360 into 40. So 2 zeros, right? 2 zeros. Then 6 fours are 24 4. Then 2 is balance. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So the cost of tiling, therefore, the cost of tiling 360 meter square is rupees 14,400. Next question. Find the area of trapezium EFGH having measurements are shown in the figure. So here they are given the diagram. Okay, EFGH. Then the parallel sides are given. Then you need to find out here area of the trapezium. So if you know height only, we can calculate area of trapezium. Then the parallel sides are given, that is 23 and 35. Height is not given. So first calculate the height, then find the area of this figure. So this trapezium, and they are divided into two triangles. So this is the height. So let's take triangle EFG by using Pythagoras theorem. First calculate height. So EF square is equal to 37 square minus 35 square. So EF is equal to square root of 37 square minus 35 square. So 37 square is 1369 minus 35 square is 1225. Then subtract. Then you will get square root of 144. So square root of 144 is, it's 12. So EF is equal to 12 centimeter. So height is 12 centimeter. So we got the height as 12 centimeter. Then the parallel sides are 23 and 35. So substitute in that area of trapezium formula. Then find out area of trapezium. It's equal to half into H into A plus B. So half into height is 12 centimeter. The parallel sides are 23 and 35. So 23 plus 35. So 1 tar, 6 2s are 12. So 6 into 23 into 35. 858. So 6 into 58 is 348 centimeters square. Therefore, the area of the figure is, area of the trapezium is, it's equal to 348 centimeter square.